How to edit code in Elementor. I'm going to show you two methods. So for the first one, we are going to log into the Elementor editor. And here we're just going to insert HTML. So here, depending on your needs and what type of code you can or you want to use, you can type it out right here. And you can also edit this with AI. If I click on edit with AI, it's going to load up the Elementor AI editor here. And we can actually get code written for us depending on our needs. And the second way of editing code, we will go to WordPress. Here we'll hover over Elementor and then we'll go to custom code. And depending on where we want to add this custom code, we will select add new, and we can insert this code into the head of our website, into the body at the start, or into the end of the body of our code. And again, we can use the AI tool to get us to write code here, or to have it write code for us. And that's basically how we edit the code for Elementor. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.